right, we are live at the 2012 Mucho Burrito Ghost Pepper Burrito Eating Contest. First of its kind, first ever. This is year number 1. Here we are. Contestants are going to have to eat a 1-pound burrito packed with ghost peppers, packed with spicy marmalade, packed with spicy rice, packed with meat, you name it. And exactly, just to give you sort of an idea of how hot the burrito is, well, an average jalapeno is 8,000 on the Scoville scale. That's the measure of heat. Whereas a ghost pepper is 1 million. That's like next level stuff. Let's see how our contestants can do it. I can't, but can they? Let's hope so. $2,500 cash to the winner. Let's see what's going on.
Ghost pepper! All right! Ghost pepper!
Your burritos for an entire year. For second place, congratulations, Stephanie T. Our champion of the first annual Mucho Burrito Ghost Pepper Burrito Eating Contest is, of course, Jamie McDonald!
Awesome burritos and spicier than I thought they would be.
I'm not afraid of no ghost.